One simple way to add to the attendees' focus on a meeting is by adding an agenda to the invitation. And that's a pretty simple thing to do. So what you do is come over to your calendar and you start adding a new event. And you title it and you add your attendees. It gives you your smart suggestions for your meeting, including length and when. And down here where it says add a description, that is where you add your agenda. Now, if you have Copilot in your organization and you have a license for it, if I click on more options, it's going to open up. And inside here, draft an agenda. And Copilot is going to look at the attendees and the meeting and draft based on your history with that. You can choose to keep it, discard it, retry, longer, shorter, but it's automating that for you based on the meeting, who you are, what your meetings have been with the people. And then if you like it, like I said, keep it. It is now part of your meeting agenda. When you send that meeting, your agenda will be attached, and then your attendees will have an idea what the focus of the meeting is about. A nice, simple way to increase efficiency in meetings.